Since its establishment, Thai Vegetable Oil Public Company Limited, or TVO, has remained committed to conducting business with a strong sense of responsibility towards society and the environment. At the same time, we continuously advance our technology to deliver high-quality products to consumers, both domestically and internationally. At TVO, we place great emphasis on the entire production process, from upstream to downstream. We carefully select premium soybeans from local farmers as well as from trusted international sources, such as Brazil and the United States, ensuring the highest quality raw materials for the production of nutritious products, including soybean oil, other vegetable oils, and byproducts used in animal feed production. Following strict raw material selection, TVO implements a series of advanced technology-driven processes that include soybean oil extraction and refining, quality control measures to prevent contamination. These processes yield 4 key products: soybean hulls, soybean meal, lecithin, and crude soybean oil. The first 3 are nutrient-rich and serve as valuable raw materials for the animal feed industry. As for the crude oil, TVO uses state-of-the-art nano refining technology to produce high-quality edible soybean oil. Our flagship brands, Healthy Chef and Queen, along with other vegetable oils, are now widely available and well received across many Asian countries for their superior quality and taste. Sustainability lies at the heart of everything we do. TVO integrates green culture into every aspect of our business operations, minimizing environmental impact both within and beyond the organization. We have set ambitious goals to achieve carbon footprint reduction by 2045 and net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2060. Moreover, we emphasize efficient resource use, the 3R concept: reduce, reuse, recycle, and minimizing waste in our production processes. Thanks to these sustainability-driven efforts, TVO has earned numerous certifications and awards for corporate governance and sustainability excellence from leading institutions. Looking ahead, TVO remains steadfast in its commitment to building a sustainable future, not only to drive organizational growth, but also to improve the quality of life for our consumers and stakeholders around the globe.